This is how to sync all of your Twitch clips with your Discord server so that they're automatically posted in any channel. So firstly, you want to go to this website, paru.app/Twitch. I'll leave it in the description. And this is the bot that is used to actually link all of your Twitch clips to your Discord server. Now, something to note is that you can only link one channel and it syncs every 3 hours on the free version. There are a few different versions if you'd like to support the creator on Patreon. You get some different features. But for today, we're going to use the free version. So the first thing you need to do is click add to server. So once you've clicked add to server, it will come up with a menu just like this. Make sure to go through all the steps, add it to the server that you want. You need to use your authentication code as well that you get from your authentication app if you have that set up. Do all of that and add the bot to your Discord server. So now that the bot is added into your server, you need to go to the channel that you want your clips to be pasted into automatically. That might mean making a new channel. I've got one called clips right here, and you need to do /Paru Twitch sync ad. You can see it right here, /Paru Twitch sync ad. Click on that. And now you need to put in the streamer name. So the name of the channel that you want to be getting the clips from. This can actually be any channel that you want. And it doesn't have to just be your channel. And for this use case, you want to click on activate clip to channel. You want to set that to enable. These two you can click disable on and then click enter. Once it's done all that, of course, for me, it'll say there's already an active sync, but you can do it for your channel and it should come up with something differently. And now every 3 hours, all of your Twitch clips will sync to this channel and post in as soon as that syncs. Of course, as I mentioned earlier, this is limited to one channel on the free version and it only syncs every 3 hours. But there are, of course, some options you can upgrade if you want more channels or you want it to sync faster.